Introducing the EDA Luxury Beauty Black Beauty Sponge. This unique makeup sponge is designed to truly transform your makeup application process, giving you that professional look every day. What makes this sponge stand out is its gourd shape that helps you achieve flawless coverage, reaching every nook and cranny of your face for a perfect application. This sponge is ultra soft and made from latex-free materials, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Plus, it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free, ensuring you can feel good about your choice. Whether you prefer a sheer look or full coverage, this sponge is aqua-activated. It doubles in size when wet for an even smoother blend, allowing you to control your coverage with ease. Not only is this sponge durable and reusable, but it's also super easy to clean, making it the perfect addition to your daily beauty routine. So why wait? Achieve your ultimate, gorgeous look in seconds with the EDA Luxury Beauty Sponge. Check out the link in the description to grab yours now.